Studying abroad is a dream for many students, but most believe it requires 20 to 30 lakhs every year. But the reality is quite different. Several countries offer internationally recognized degrees, affordable tuition fees, excellent career opportunities, and a high quality of life, all while keeping your tuition under 7 lakhs per year. If you are planning to study abroad on a budget in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore 5 affordable study abroad destinations where you can pursue a world-class education without spending a fortune. So let's get started. So our first destination is Slovakia, one of Europe's most underrated study destinations. So Slovakia offers affordable tuition fees, recognized European degrees, and a peaceful student-friendly environment. Average tuition fee is around 2.5 to 6 lakhs per year. Living cost will be 4 to 6 lakhs per year. You can earn 6 to 9 lakh per year with a part-time jobs. You get a post-study stay up to 9 months. So popular courses are engineering, business, computer science, and health sciences. Next is Portugal, one of Europe's safest and fastest growing study destinations. So Portugal offers affordable education, a high quality of life, and growing opportunities in technology, tourism, and business. So average tuition fees starts from 3 lakh per year. Living cost is around 6 to 8 lakh per year. So part-time earnings will be around 8 to 12 lakh a year, with post-study work visa up to 1 year. So popular courses are business, tourism, engineering, and computer science. So our third destination is Slovenia. Although many students overlook it, Slovenia provides affordable education with excellent academic quality and modern universities. So average tuition fees will be around 3 to 5 lakh a year, while living cost will be 4 to 6 lakh a year. So part-time earnings will be around 7 to 10 lakh per year, while post-study stay will be up to 9 months. So popular courses are engineering, IT, business, and environmental sciences. So our next destination is Austria, one of Europe's fastest growing study abroad destinations. Austria is known for affordable public universities, globally recognized degrees, and excellent career opportunities in STEM field. So average tuition fees is around 3 to 8 lakh a year, while many public universities charge only around 80,000 per semester. So living costs will be around 10 to 15 lakh a year, while part-time earnings will be 6 to 9 lakh per year. So popular courses are engineering, AI, computer science, biotechnology, and environmental sciences. So our final destination is Malaysia, one of Asia's most affordable study destinations. So Malaysia combines affordable education, low living cost, and internationally recognized universities. So average tuition fees is around 5 to 12 lakh a year, while many universities offer programs under 7 lakh per year. So living costs will be around 3 to 5 lakh a year, while part-time earnings will be around 6 to 10 lakh a year. So popular courses are business, engineering, IT, health sciences, and hospitality. So while tuition fees are important, they shouldn't be the only factor when choosing your study destination. Before making your decision, also compare living expenses, scholarship opportunities, part-time work options, post-study work visas, long-term career prospects, and return on investment. The best country is not necessarily the cheapest. It's the one that aligns with your budget, career goals, and plans. So if you need help choosing the right country or university, our team at EduNirvana can guide you with university shortlisting, scholarships, applications, SOPs, and student visa support. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad guidance. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.